How to turn on LG TV without remote and turn off. So where you're going to want to look is the middle bottom part of your LG TV screen. Underneath it there you should see a power button. All you're going to have to do when it's off is just click it once, then it should turn on. As you can see here, you see the LG Life's Good logo pop up. Then about a few seconds after that it will turn itself on. Then if you want to turn it off, all you're going to have to do is press for around about a second, then it should turn off. So it's pretty much as simple as that. So if you want to turn it on, click that power button for about a second, then it will turn on. You're going to have to give it a few seconds between the turn on and turn off situation for it to actually turn fully on or turn fully off. Then also if you want to change channels and things like that, you can do it by pressing and holding that power button. Then it'll bring up the menu where you can change channels, change volume, change the input, etc. But that's how it's done there. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.